From the beginning, the Freightliner Cascadia has been engineered for ultimate efficiency. With an initial investment of over $1.5 billion in the Cascadia and HDEP engine programs, Daimler Trucks North America made a powerful commitment to developing a completely new platform that would impact the industry well into the future. In 2007, our aerodynamic design included an optimally sloped hood and windshield, rivetless construction, and full wheel-to-wheel chassis side fairings. Paired with the new Detroit DD15 engine, the Cascadia was optimized to increase operating efficiencies. Then in 2010, we took another giant leap forward when Detroit implemented the Daimler BlueTech Selective Catalytic Reduction System, one of the world's most fuel-efficient emissions control technologies. To further improve aerodynamic efficiency, we added a front bumper closure, side skirts, and a roof deflector. The results led to up to an astounding 5% improvement in fuel economy over the 2007 model. Today, we are proud to introduce the 2014 Cascadia Evolution. Powered by the newly designed Detroit DD15 engine, it delivers up to an additional 7% improvement in fuel economy over the 2010 model. In the Cascadia Evolution, we've made significant strides in aerodynamics, utilizing a bumper air dam, bumper closures, a hood-to-bumper fill, cooling enhancements, improved windshield seal, and an integrated antenna. We've also included rear wheel covers, enhanced chassis side fairings, 20-inch side extenders, and elliptical-shaped mirrors. Under the hood, you'll find an enhanced Detroit DD15 engine featuring a proprietary asymmetric turbocharger with a next-generation ACRS fuel system, monitored by the Detroit Virtual Technician System. To bring you the most efficient Freightliner on the road today, we've put the Cascadia Evolution through thousands of testing hours in Daimler's exclusive wind tunnel and on highways throughout North America. And as we head into the future, we will continue to lead the industry by building the most innovative, fuel-efficient trucks on the road. Our goal is to provide customers with the lowest cost of ownership